Blooms. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. So today is someone's birthday, and I know tomorrow is someone's birthday. So today we're going to be checking out Joanna's interview with Bernadette Sembrano. I hope I pronounced that correctly, and if not, I do apologize. But Joanna, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Joanna. Happy birthday to you. I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I hope you enjoy your day. And I hope you eat plenty of delicious food. And yes, have a wonderful day today. Happy birthday. But let's go ahead and jump right into it. You know what to do. If you haven't watched this for yourself, go watch it for yourself. Go love it for yourself. Go enjoy it for yourself. The link will be in the description below. And yeah, let's go ahead and check it out. Come along for the ride. Okay.
Minsan nang pinutakte ng basher si Bini Joanna dahil daw pumiyok siya sa kanyang solo performance sa Gensan.
Sinasabi rin ba tao pumiyok ako? Hindi ako pumiyok doon. Hindi ko lang nasustain.
Nah, hell no.
Sinasabi rin ba tao pumiyok ako? Hindi ako pumiyok doon. Hindi ko lang nasustain.
Yeah, I'm sorry. There's a difference. There's a difference. I want you guys to just sit there and go, for a little bit and see how long your asses can sustain that, okay? I'm sorry. Y'all can miss me with that BS. Like, come on. Come on. Come on. Like, yo, nah, see, man, oh, haters piss me off. Haters piss me off. Haters anger me.
Sanay na sa bashing si Bini Joanna at pambubuli sa mga Bini doon sila ay nagsisimula pa lamang.
Talents lang naman kayo. Bakit kayo may service? Ganon. Tapos mga...
Wait, what?
Talents lang naman kayo.
You're just... Why do you have service? Like, what?
Bakit kayo may service? Ganon. Tapos mga starlets kami.
Wait. Okay. Hold on. It's when the stuff goes up at the top too. Then we're just starlets. Starlets, emerging artists with undeveloped skills.
Starlets kami.
At saan nga ba nanggaling ang tapang ng loob ng leader ng mga Bini?
Muntik na kasi kami mag-quit before.
Uh-huh.
So para saan ba itong pinagtitrainingan ko na ganito kahirap? Nakadiet pa ako.
Wala daw love life ang mga Bini.
Ano ba yan?
So meron nanliligaw sa'yo, feeling ko.
Po?
May nanliligaw sa'yo. Nanliligaw sa'yo, feeling ko.
Po?
May nanliligaw sa'yo.
Tara, get to know the other side of Bini Joanna or Joanna Robles.
Laban tayong nakangiti.
Man, these little intro for these interviews are so awesome and adorable. Stop. Oh man.
Morning. Hi. Maaga tayo.
She has such a wonderful smile. It's so bright and
morning.
like inviting, you know.
Maaga tayo at nandito tayo sa Pita Theater in Quezon City. Hi, okay. It's a great day. It's a beautiful day with the Bini Joanna. Here we are.
Taray natin ko lang siya dahil siya ay may rehearsal, dahil siya ay nasa tabing ilog.
Riverbank, okay?
Huwag natin i-rush.
Let's not rush.
Sabi ko pa lang huwag i-rush eh.
Hi, boobs.
I'm sorry. The smile to brighten up anyone's day. I'm sorry. Look at the smile. Oh.
Okay lang, girl.
Hi, boobs. So now, hawak ko na ang ating mahiwagang official Bini photo cards. Nagkamali po ba ako? Nagkulang po ba ako? Hindi po ba ako ginawa? Meron ditong album ni DJ from 10 years ago.
Ikwento mo yung sarili mo.
Unika iha ako. Hindi ako
Spanish term for only daughter. Okay.
spoiled, pero
Wait,
syempre
how did-
ako,
How did that say? How did she say that?
Ikwento mo yung sarili mo.
unika iha ako.
Unika.
Hindi ako spoiled, pero syempre tinatry nila daddy bigay sa akin yung mga ano, pero pag naghindi sila, hindi din ako. Hindi ako nagpupumilit. Ganun po ako.
Mabait na bata.
Mabait po ako dati. Kaya ko kahit solong anak lang ako, pero gusto ko talaga ng kapatid po. Kaya close ako sa mga pinsan ko. Even sa school, ang dami ko rin po mga extracurricular activities
Okay.
po. Opo, drum and lyre, SSG officer.
Supreme Student Government, which is the highest governing student organized in public secondary school in the Philippines. Hey, okay.
Dance group, meron din po akong kasali sa
Choir,
choir sa
okay.
school namin.
Tapos
Journalism,
Journalism.
lumalaban din po.
I did take journalism when I was in school. Because again, like I tell you guys, I've always wanted to like do interviews and things like that. So I did take a year of journalism, and it was fun. It was quite an adventure.
Ako.
Ikaw na. Gifted. Pero ikaw rin yung leader rin doon.
Meron ka talaga.
Lagi na ako binoboto for president or vice president ng group. Hindi ko alam kung bakit bahala ko.
So she had a little bit of training with it. Okay.
So feeling ko, ginawa talaga ni Lord na maging leader
Right,
or else hindi
right.
ako mapapakali buong buhay.
Parang nag-step up ka palagi. Parang
Opo, ganun. Hindi ko alam, may ganun ako.
nakusa lang siyang lumalabas na ganun.
Opo.
Pero ikaw yung second to the youngest.
Opo.
Mm.
Pagpapalaki ba yun sa'yo kaya ganun ka?
Siguro sa school din po. Kasi kahit sa school, yung mga kaklase ko, parang 2 years older than
Okay.
every year, ganun. Kasi kumbaga, nag-start ako 4-5 mag-aral po. Tapos nag-skip ako ng 1 year.
Okay.
Nag-accelerate po ako.
Wow.
So parang feeling, kaya yun, mga matatanda na rin yung kasama ko. Hindi
Now I've always been the older out of like everyone that like my friend group, and I was one of the older kids in school. So yeah.
Hindi ako matatanda. Mas
Older than you.
older than
Yeah,
me.
just older than me.
Kaya siguro dun ako nag-mature din po.
Ano yung buhay mo from a typical day?
Oh.
Typical day?
Kasi parang sobrang busy ng Bini.
Opo,
Right.
ang pahinga na lang po namin training. Yun na yung pahinga po namin.
Bini.
Our only
Opo,
rest is
Ang
training.
pahinga na lang po namin training. Yun na yung pahinga po namin. Kasi pag may mga shoot kami, ang call time 6 a.m.
Hindi ka pa ba busy? Pinasok mo pa yung teatro.
Yun na po eh. Parang may iba kasi parang feeling ko kailangan ko po talaga ng magbe-break sa routine ko sa Bini.
Right.
Ano ba ang routine ng Bini?
Ang nakakapagod kasi talaga sa amin mga shoots po and shows.
Give me, like today, meron kang tabing ilog.
Apo.
Buong tabing ilog to.
Gusto niyo po mag-start tayo from concert?
Sige.
Sige. Before concert, hindi po ako makapag-rehearse dito kasi nga yung parang 2 weeks lang yung preparation namin for concert po, yung Grand Biniverse. Tapos sobrang hirap po ng mga prods. Pero kasi ewan ko,
So, kulang sa tulog? Ilang oras ang tulog mo?
ako po kasi kahapon nga nakapanood pa po movie kagabi. Kahit may ganap po kami kahapon. Nag-shoot po kami for Billboard.
Event, okay.
Hindi ko po kasi kaya na may vacant time talaga sa day ko. Parang dun ko na-feel yung pagod.
Hinahanap mo din.
Opo, hindi ko talaga kayang pumirmi sa condo
Normal
po.
mo yon na may hinahanap palagi?
Before, hindi po. Before, literal, pag after training, tulog na ako. Or after ganap, uwi na ako. Pero ngayon, hindi ko alam bakit. Feel- Siguro kasi sa age kong to, parang dapat nga gumagala ako with friends. Alam mo yung ganun, yung 20 ako ngayon po. So parang nakasama ko na yung Beanies, 15 years old pa lang ako.
Dang. Jeez.
Wala akong social life talaga outside.
Right.
So feeling ko nagbabawi.
Aww.
Oh man, you're feeling na parang you might be missing out on.
Opo.
And do you really feel that you're missing out on other things?
Medyo po. Kasi,
I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Listen, I say that a lot, especially like when, you know, members do go in, like, you know, they go in young I feel like they miss out on core moments and core life experiences and adventures and things like that, you know. So
kasi syempre may mga gusto kong, mga friends na hindi ko nakikita, ganun. Pero syempre sa achievement naman na, mga achievements naman, syempre, mas dun naman tayo.
Kasi bihira lang yan, kailan pa
Opo, yung
babalik yan.
opportunity po.
Hindi rin naman forever.
right.
But how do you balance your time with family?
Ooh, good
Laguna.
question.
Kailan ka huling
Laguna province. Oh, okay. Region of. Okay.
umuwi?
Meron kaming rest day din po nung November 9 and 10. Tapos, yun, dun po ako umuwi. So, sa 2 days na rest day ko, puyat din ako.
Sinutulog mo rin.
Opo, parang alas 3 na kami natutulog nung umuwi ako nun. Tapos back to work na ulit pagbalik dito. Kasi kasal po nung isa kong pinsan. Sobrang close ko kasi sa family ko.
Tama, alam nga itinotodo mo sa ibang bagay. Tapos yung, shucks, yung katawan mo, kumusta naman?
Okay naman po. Okay naman siya. Pero syempre may mga times na talagang pag nagkasakit,
Right.
hindi mo talaga wala kang magawa. Ganun.
Sometimes 100%. Sometimes the body just is like, okay, listen, I'm not feeling well. Okay, I'm not feeling well. All right, and sometimes it's nothing you could do about it. Like right now, I've got a cold.
Like, kalimbawa nga may
Just like
sipon
that.
po ako. Pero mga
Wow.
ganun lang. Thank you, Lord, di po ako nagkakasakit.
Just a cold
Sipon
and
lang,
cough.
sipon
Ah,
ubo lang
okay,
po,
okay.
ganun. Parang sabi ni Direk Lauren, kota na raw po ako sa
Already
sakit this
reached
year.
the
Kasi grabe,
before
nung concert namin sa Jensen and Cebu, parang doon bumigay yung katawan ko po. Tapos
Wow.
hindi ako agad nakalipad ng LA po nung
Right,
nag-K-Con yung
for
girls.
KCON, right?
Mm.
Yeah, I was about to say that was when she couldn't make it to the to KCON.
Alam ko yun, di
Opo,
ba?
kasi
Oo.
5 araw ako sa ospital.
Wow.
Anong nangyari sa'yo nun?
Nung July po kasi meron
Aha.
kami regional tour. Tapos, Jensen and Cebu,
Cebu.
bumigay na talaga yung katawan ko. Pero kasi may mga ganaps pa rin po kami. So, syempre, kailangan ko umattend po. So, feeling ko sinasabi na talaga ng katawan ko, magpahinga ako.
Yep.
Kaya nung flight na going to LA po, parang gumano na lang po ako. Pero hindi ako nahimatay kasi conscious naman po ako nung time na yun.
Oo.
Pero sobrang deads na ng katawan ko po. Tapos parang ang daming tao kasi wala po kami
Marshall security guard. Okay. Just if when the words pop up at the top, I didn't have marshals back then. Wow.
marshal noon. So, napapalibutan talaga kami
Wow.
ng blooms po. Tapos parang ako, parang hirap akong huminga po noon.
Mm.
Tapos wala na, tinakbo na ako sa emergency room. Hindi ko na alam.
Ano sabi ng nanay mo sa'yo?
Wala, pinagpahinga niya po ako.
She made you rest. Aw.
Worth it?
Yes.
Everything. Is it
Opo.
worth it?
Yes. Ayoko na magkaroon ng missed opportunities po sa life ko. Kaya hanggat kaya ko, ginagawa ko po.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, seeing all of them just travel and enjoy this like much needed, much deserved, much, rest and just family time and kicking back. Like I was so happy. Like, yeah.
Nagkasakit ka na, right? Yung nag-vertigo ka.
Opo.
Ano-anong mga naging
Why
sakit mo?
vertigo too?
Vertigo. Feeling ko yun lang din talaga yung nagtitrigger.
Pero malala na vertigo.
Opo. Kasi ang nakakapagpa-trigger po kasi sa vertigo ko, prolonged standing, lights, tsaka yung ingay ng tao na lahat nasa work ko po.
Oo nga, paano yun?
Minsan kasi yung in-ear po namin, syempre pag hininaan mo, di mo marinig sarili mo. Pag nilagay mo sa tamang volume, napipick up po yung sigaw ng mga tao.
Ooh.
So talagang gumaganon po yung
Right.
paningin ko pag talagang sobrang ingay po.
Hirap naman nun.
Man, her describing that, you can literally feel that sense too. Like, that's why I always get told I need to upgrade from these, right? To like in-ears, right? But it's like even when I have my earbuds, like when I'm going out and I'm working out, or I'm like on my little ride around the block and stuff like that, even having those in, it really messes with me, right? I just don't like, I don't know, it's weird. But the there's a setting on the earbuds, right? To where if like noise will come by, it'll kind of kick in, right? So that you can kind of pick, and it did that one time when I first got them, and it was the first time I had ever experienced that. And it did that one time, and it literally I was like, whoa, you know? Like, yeah, it was really weird. It was really weird. Like, man, I get really mm.
Opo, yun nga eh. Pero may gamot naman po.
There's medicine, yeah.
Opo, may gamot naman. Kailangan lang agapan po.
Anong kaibahan ng teatro dun sa pagiging, yung that other world that
I would love to see.
Ibang-iba po. Ibang-iba talaga. Kasi parang doon, kaya mong dalhin yun, aaura ka lang, kakanta ka lang, sasayaw ka lang. Dito, kailangan may emotions ka talaga bawat galaw niyo po. Kailangan marunong ka kumanta talaga. Sumayaw, yung lines mo sa acting, kailangan sa ulo mo.
Yung kumanta talaga, dapat marunong kang kumanta talaga.
Hindi ko kasi masabi kailangan magaling ka kumanta kasi syempre, hindi naman ako kasing galing po ng mga kasama ko kasi sobrang galing po nila.
Aww.
At least sa tono, di ba? Pero yung par-arte, kailangan ba marunong ka talagang umarte dito? Dahil yun ba ang ano?
Feeling ko yun po yung pinaka-crucial talaga sa pag-acting. Dapat meron po talaga dito. Kasi kung hindi, parang hindi talaga po ako sasali. Kasi
stop it.
Hindi, parang hindi talaga po ako sasali. Kasi nakakahiya din for other actors po na makikipagsabayan ako tapos sobrang wali ko, ganon.
I still need to watch these. Yo, hey, everybody, remind me to check these out on the next stream, okay? I haven't streamed. I've been having really bad internet issues, right? So it can't hold the, because I live in California, you know, and so it can't hold the stream correctly. Like it keeps crashing and stuff, and it wouldn't connect. So that's why I haven't streamed in the last couple of weeks. But remind me that I really need to check these out, even if I don't watch them during stream. Remind me I still need to check these out.
Mga kaibigan mo?
Actually, wala po masyadong, yung friend talaga sa industry po. Parang hirap lang po ako mag-trust sa industry natin, sa showbiz. Ang hirap din po talagang mag-trust. Yeah. Parang hindi talaga lahat kaibigan mo sa showbiz.
Right.
Nasaktan ka na ba dito?
I learned that lesson. Listen, I've been streaming on Twitch since 2012, right? I learned that lesson the hardest of hard ways right there, right? I learned that lesson, which is why I'm kind of like reserved now. But yeah.
Dito.
Opo.
Like how?
Ano ba, may mga sinasabi po sa amin before na ba't kayo may van? Talent lang naman kayo ng talents lang naman kayo. Bakit kayo may service, ganon. Tapos mga starlets kami, ganon. Tapos ngayon, tinatry nila makipag-close sa amin. Tapos parang, okay.
Oh, like, hey, yo, how's it going?
Yeah, medyo weird lang
Yeah,
po.
how's it going?
Pag ganun, kung artist mo, dapat susuportahan mo. Starting ka man o hindi. Parang sa industry kasi na to kung sino.
Oh, okay. Ignore. Okay.
Kung artist mo, dapat susuportahan mo. Starting ka man o hindi. Parang sa industry kasi na to kung sino po yung mga bago, parang sila din po yung talagang dinededma ka. Unlike sa mga icons na talagang matatagal na sa industry. Kahit gaano ka pa kagaling, attitude talaga yung magmamarka sa tao eh.
Kunwari magkakasama kayo ng mga bini, do you have one dream na, sige, we want to be a singer, we want to do this? Or do you also have your own separate?
I would say
Iba-iba po kami.
I was gonna say
May mga gusto sa amin mag-teacher.
yeah.
Yung iba gustong maging artista talaga. Yung iba gustong maging singer lang talaga. Ganon, iba-iba po kami talaga.
At ikaw?
I love the fact that they really are all different. You know, like they all still have their own dreams that they really would love to, you know.
Talaga?
Ikaw, ano yung talaga mo?
Ano, iba-iba po kami talaga.
At ikaw?
Dami talaga.
Ikaw, ano yung talaga mo?
Ako, katulad niyo po. Yan talaga.
see?
And also, ang dami naman talaga. And actress po.
Ooh.
Talaga lang.
Talaga. Dapat may talaga counter tayo dito.
Yeah, counter, I love it.
Talaga.
So,
Halaga.
gusto mo talagang
I say really a lot, so, you know.
Talaga.
maging actress at reporter or news anchor.
Oh.
Kung isa lang, hindi kasi pwede, si Atom nagawa niya, pero kung hindi pwede pagsabayan, ano talaga?
Hala!
Talaga? Kasi
Mm.
minsan mangangarap ka, ito parang ang alam mo darating ka kasi sa puntong ganito. At feeling ko ganun ang nangyayari sa akin. Ngayon, sila ang naglalagay ng gagawin mo.
Opo.
Pero kung ikaw yung bibigyan ng pagkakataon to figure out
Ooh.
ano yung gusto mong gawin, ano yon? Talaga.
Talaga. Ano? Sige po, acting.
Okay, I love it.
Iba po yung
Oh no.
I-save up na niya Bakit acting?
malaki inspiration ko.
Oh, okay. Been a huge inspiration to me ever since.
Talaga si
Okay.
Ate Catherine po,
Okay.
ever since. Opo.
Bumili pa ng katsaya na polo kasi ginanda yun sa'yo.
Ano ba na nahanap mo?
Pero mukhang ano sana sa akin.
What about her?
Lahat lang ng gawin niya, parang sobrang inspirational for me. Na-inspire talaga ako. Lahat. Family, work ethics niya.
Family, ano?
Sobrang close niya po sa family niya. Tapos parang ilang taon na siya sa industry pero wala kang makikitang issue niya na, alam mo po, di ba sobrang grabe
I
lang.
love that.
And
You know,
yung
she just
yung
wow. You know, she just wow. You know,
pagka-humble
the
niya.
humbleness, yes.
Grabe. As in, for me, perfect siya. Ganon.
Career ni Catherine. Ano naman yung gusto mo sa career ni Catherine?
Hindi siya nawawala sa spotlight. Yung, well, ilang taon na kasi naging fan po
Growing up, TV shows that started. 20 years has it been? Okay.
light. Yung, well, ilang taon na kasi naging fan po ako ever since growing up. Anong year pa yun, yung growing up po. Tapos parang, wala, hindi siya nawawala sa ano. Tapos grabe lang yung acting skills niya. Actually, siya inspiration. Yung pinang-audition ko nung For Tabing Ilog, yung Barcelona lines.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait, sige. Anong, alam ko, wala daw love life ang mga bini.
Wala po.
None. Okay.
Pero kung dumating naman, joke!
Joke.
Pero kung dumating naman, joke! Wala po kasi sa dami talaga na ginagawa po.
Right.
Yun, parang wala talagang time. Nagkaroon po.
I still remember the interview with Joanna and Aya, where they talked about like, you know, love life and things like that, you know, the one that got away and stuff like that. And that interview, I really enjoyed that interview. I still have to check out the other ones, not interview, the podcast. Sorry, I was calling it an interview, but the podcast with them. I have to check out the other ones as well. That's on my list as well. But yeah, no, that podcast, man, I really enjoyed that.
Before Bini, may mga nagkaroon naman ng love life sa amin. Pero, kailangan mo talagang mamili po.
Sino nagturo yung pamimili? Ikaw ba yon? Is it maturity or imposed sa inyo ng management ng bini na?
Maturity na rin po. Kasi,
Lahat kayo ganun mag-isip?
hindi naman.
Okay, sige. Sige, ikaw, maturity dahil?
Kasi, syempre, ayaw mo naman maging unfair. Kung sino man magiging partner mo, ayaw mo maging unfair sa kanya, sa time, sa effort. Kasi yun yung hindi mo mabibigay kapag bini ka eh. Unless kaya mo talagang pagsabayin. Pero ako kasi, kapag may rest day ako, syempre gusto ko sa family ko na rin talaga ibibigay po.
Right.
Pero depende pa rin naman po yan.
Kung love niya rin yung family mo.
Yo, Joanna out here just, jokester Joanna out here just.
Pero depende pa rin naman po yan.
Kung love niya rin yung family mo, edi dual di ba?
Po.
Ay, meron akong nahihit. Meron akong, hindi, wag ako. Pero feeling ko, oo. So, meron nanliligaw sa'yo, feeling ko.
Po?
May nanliligaw sa'yo. Siyempre.
Meron naman po.
Okay.
Opo. pero hindi lang po talaga priority po.
Mag-antay sila.
Opo.
Merong isang moment dun sa concert nyo na nakakatuwa. Kasi, Jansen ba yun? Yung pumiyok ka ba?
Happy ka ba? Para wag ka mabitin, please like and subscribe to our channel para makagawa pa tayo ng mga inspiring at nakakahaping mga content. And don't forget to click on that alert button. Now na! Click, click, click! Maraming salamat! Be happy!
Pumiyok ka ba, tas inulit mo?
Hindi,
Ano bang nangyari doon?
sinasabi rin ba tao pumiyok ako? Hindi ako pumiyok doon. Hindi ko lang na-sustain.
Okay, sorry.
Hindi ako pumiyok doon. Hindi ko lang na-sustain.
Okay, sorry.
Hindi ko lang po na-sustain kasi masama na po yung pakiramdam ko. Siyempre, hindi mo naman pwede gawing excuse yun sa
Right,
mga tao.
right. Granted, let's just talk about this real quick, okay? Granted, she's feeling sick, okay? They had already been putting on a hell of a concert already, right? Already traveling, doing things all that stuff all before that one part. Like, nah, y'all miss me with that BS. Y'all. God, I hate haters so much, man.
Kasi siyempre, nagbayad sila, dumayo sila. So, hindi mo naman pwede sabihin, sorry, nagkasakit kasi
Right.
ako, kaya hindi ko naabot. So, ang ginawa ko, okay, total, last push ko na to sa regional tour. Last na kasi po namin na lugar yun. Inulit ko po.
Makikita sa TikTok videos na in-upload ni Stan Bini, Yeng Moto at Dreyu ang fighting spirit ni Joanna.
Nah, shut up.
Fighting spirit ni
Shut up.
Joanna.
Pwede po ba ako humiling? Pwede ba ako pumawi sa part na sustained part? Hindi ako... Ayoko umalis ng Mindanao.
Okay, second largest island in the Philippines. Okay, I don't want to leave being able to do it. Oh. Go.
Ang panahon, di sapat ang meron tayo ngayon. Pwede ba humiling isa pang araw? Dapat na malayang naubos ang ganong oras. Humiling isa pang
Woo! Shit. Woo!
Tapos ay nagawa ko. Tapos after nun, wala na. Doon na talaga. Deads na po talaga ako.
Hindi ka mapakali for yourself or for the others?
Pareho po. Pareho. Siyempre, alam ko naman na meron talagang susugod at susugod sa SOCME dahil dyan. And up until
Wait.
now talagang meron
Social
talagang
media,
susugod
okay.
at susugod sa SOCME dahil dyan. And up until now, binibring up nila yan. Pang bash, pang mga wala silang magawa, mambabash sila, ganun.
Facts.
Pero at least
facts.
ako, ginawa ko. Nagawa ko.
Right,
Buti
right.
nga naka-second chance, yung iba walang second try.
Yun nga po eh.
Yun yung natuwa ako kasi parang you could have let
Yeah,
it be.
exactly.
Pero
I was
hindi,
just gonna
parang
bring that
ito,
up right now. I was just about to bring that up. That, you know, what just really like kind of like she said is the fact that she didn't give, like, she went back, you know, she didn't let it be.
natuwa ako kasi parang you could have let it be.
Yeah.
Pero hindi, parang ito,
Be like, oh well, you know,
hindi ako
dang.
mapapakali. Yun yung gusto ko, yung ugaling yun. Na para feeling ko also very telling of the person that you are. Kasi hindi mo naman kilala yung mga yun eh.
Right.
Pwede kang, hindi, nakakahiya. Nahiya ka ba nun?
Hindi po.
Ano?
Mas gusto ko talagang itry. Sabi kasi, minentor po kasi kami ni Sir Gary V and Miss Regine
Okay.
before concert.
Gary
So parang
V.
sabi nila, kahit naman daw sila, ilang taon na silang kumakanta, nagpe-perform,
Mm.
hindi palaging perfect performance nila. Nawawala sila sa tono. May mga ganun din sila. So parang ako, doon din ako kumuha ng lakas na hindi pa
I'm
ako
telling you, the interactions during Grind Beanieverse, I till this day will forever love. Just the interactions that we had with the guests and all of them, like just the uplifting words, the stories, the jokes, like it was just so wonderful to watch, you know.
sobrang tagal.
And she's true. It's
Possible
facts.
talaga mangyari sa akin yun. And it's normal po.
Mm-hmm.
You guys are so grateful. Kaya
see?
Beanie bless.
Siyempre, ginapang din naman po namin to. Kumbaga, hinintay namin talaga mangyari to. So, hindi namin masasabing biglaan. Kasi siyempre, ilang years din kami nag-train for this. Siguro biglaan in a way na hindi namin in-expect na this year mangyari. Ganon. Nagulat lang kami na nangyari siya this year.
Galing, no?
Opo, grabe talaga.
But what is this whole experience teaching?
Ooh.
Lalong-lalo na kung babalik ka sa pagiging Joanna.
Patience po. And maging
Okay.
grateful ka palagi. Patience kasi, muntik na kasi kami mag-quit before. Kasi parang, syempre, ako kasi wala din akong idea sa idol group before. So para saan ba itong pinagtitrainingan ko? Lagat to kahirap, nakadiet pa ako, malayo pa ako sa family ko. Worth it ba to?
I ask myself all the time, is it worth it? Is it worth it? I ask that all the time.
Diet pa ako, malayo pa ako sa family ko. Worth it ba to? Yun nga, patience po. And huwag ka matakot palagi matuto.
See, that right there. Don't be
Kasi
afraid to
kung
continue.
Kung gumive up ako, hindi ko nagagawa yung mga passion ko. Yung passion ko for broadcasting, for theater, for performing, di ba? Nagagawa ko siya sabay-sabay ngayon.
Nabasa ko dun sa isang libro na parang sometimes you have to say no to say yes to other
Ooh.
things. What are the things that you're saying
Ooh.
no to now?
Oh, hold on. Can I get that book? Hold on. Can I get that book? Sometimes you have to say no to say yes to other
To
things.
say no to say yes to other things.
Oh,
What are the things that you're saying no to now?
ooh.
To say yes to other things.
Time with family po.
So, ikaw, Joanna, you're all about family.
Yes. Family over anything po. Well, yung work, tinanggap ko kasi for them din naman po.
Nice. Ano gusto mo sabihin sa pamilya mo?
Oh,
Ano ba yan?
don't cry, Joe. Come on, Joe. Dang it.
Thank you sa support. Is very supportive po sila. Very supportive. Lalo na ng concert, kompleto silang nanood kahit ang mahal-mahal ng ticket. Thank you kasi every time na feel ko na overwhelm ako sa, ano ba yan? Every time na feel ko na overwhelm ako sa dami ng ganap sa work, talaga nandyan sila para samahan ako. Kahit may mga trabaho sila, nung make time sila for me po. Pag galimbawa, malapit na yung concert, tapos parang hindi ako mapakali, sobrang kabado ako. Mag-aaya sila, tara kain tayo, dinner tayong lahat. Tapos kahit may mga trabaho, gagawan talaga nila ng paraan po. Tagig, ang lalayo nila.
Okay.
Kahit may mga trabaho, gagawan talaga nila ng paraan po. Tagig, ang lalayo nila, Tagig, Bikutan. Pupunta sila sa QC
Damn
lahat
it.
para po sa akin. Knowing mga tita ko pa po yun, tita, mga pinsan, mga lola. So, ganun po kami ka-solid. Hindi lang kaming tatlo nila, mami at daddy.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Tay lang.
Oh.
Very nice. Thank you. Thank
Oh.
you. Tay lang, meron na... dun sa, nag-viral rin kasi ako dati.
Apo.
Panoorin mo para matawa ka. Yung sayo ako.
Opo.
Sayo ako ha. Sayo ako ha. kanino mo sasabihin sayo ako?
Sa'yo ako, kay Lord. Sa'yo ako, Lord. Lahat ng to, talagang, siya talaga ginagawa ko center. As in, lahat. Parang, hindi ko to magagawa kundi dahil din sa guidance ni Lord and help niya.
May kanta ka ba at ATM ngayon?
Lord and help niya.
Okay.
May kanta ka ba at ATM ngayon? That
Na?
you keep on playing or singing?
Ooh.
Like yung LSS ko, song ko ngayon, palagi. Palagi po.
Sample.
Hala! Kung balikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Wala ako sa tono, pero yun po yung lyrics.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Oh. Pinaiyak. Sabi ko sa pinaiyak mo ko. Hindi, pinaiyak. B? Ano yung si B? B, sign language. Happy.
One of the advocacies po namin ng sign language.
Oh, yay!
One of the advocacies po namin ng sign language.
Oh, yay!
Ang sa amin po, yung kahit nung Grand Biniverse po, tsaka yung mga choreo namin, lagi pong may karera.
Sige, paano?
Huwag mag-alala, buhay ay di karera. Cherry on top, CHERRY. Madami po kaming
Ay, wow! Oh, wow! And very simple lang na hindi alam.
Opo.
Na-advocacy niyo.
Buong prod namin nung isang song namin sa Grand Biniverse, lahat yun sa Sinay
I was gonna say,
language
yeah.
po namin.
Uy,
sweet!
Yeah.
Song namin sa Grand Biniverse, lahat yun sa Sinay language po namin. Uy, sweet!
And that's the other side of Joanna, our Beanie Joanna. Be happy.
I love that. I love that. I
Joanna,
love
our
that.
Beanie Joanna. Be happy.
I love it.
We'll see. Tomorrow's brighter. Let's be happy.
Nah, I'm telling you, man. As much as I love the music videos and stuff like that, it's the interviews and it's the like, you know, the sentimental moments that we get when we, you know, are talking with one member or all of them, you know. Those are some of my favorite things. And I love those so much. This was such a wonderful interview. I really enjoyed it. Again, man, I was hoping to get through without crying or tearing up, but no. But yeah, no. Again, it's just when you say it and you know. Yeah. Again, hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Shout out to Joanna. Have a wonderful, happy birthday. I hope it was a wonderful day. I hope it was fun, and I hope you had a blast. Okay. And yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Again, remember to like, comment, subscribe. And if you haven't watched this for yourself, make sure you guys go watch it for yourself. Okay, go watch it for yourself. And yeah, y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. Y'all take it easy. I love you. Peace.